Hi everyone, want to sound smarter in English conversations? Here's the 5 powerful words that you can try today. Word number 1 is ephemeral, lasting for a very short time. The sunset's beauty was ephemeral, gone in minutes. Perspicacious, having keen insight or understanding. In sentence, his perspicacious mind helped him to solve the mystery quickly. Ubiquitous, which means present everywhere. The smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Serendipity again, right? Serendipity we already had in video. Serendipity, finding good by chance. Ineffable, which means too great to be expressed in words. The beauty of the universe is simply ineffable. Which word was new to you? Comment below and follow me for more such videos. Thank you.